All right, good morning, kindergarten. Happy Friday, okay? So, today we're going to start off with group number two. Group number two, you will be working on page 132 and 133, okay? So, first turn to page 132. It has a squirrel on that page. So, your instructions are you're counting by fives to connect the dots. Then you're going to color the picture, okay? Now let's try to count by fives up to 100, okay? You ready? Let's go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Good job, you did it. So right now you have to find the first number, which is 5. And the number 5 is right beside the squirrel's ear. Okay? So look where the squirrel's eye and ear is, and that's 5. You connecting the dots, starting at 5, going all the way to the number 100, okay? Then once you finish connecting dots, then you will color the picture. Next, we'll turn to page 133. Remember to write your first name, last name, and date, okay? Now, for number one, you have to write the answer to the combination that I say, okay? So, for the first butterfly, what is 3 plus 1? For the first butterfly, what is 3 plus 1? Okay, for the second butterfly, what is 0 plus 6? For the second butterfly, what is 0 plus 6? Okay, next, for the third butterfly, what is 2 plus 3? What is 2 plus 3? And for the last butterfly, what is 4 take away 1? For the last butterfly, what is 4 take away 1? All right, good job. Now let's look at number two. Number two basically asks us to draw the minute hand to show the time. Remember, the short hand is the hour hand and the long hand is the minute hand. So the first example, the time at the bottom is 7 o'clock. So they do give us the hour hand, which is pointed to 7. Now we have to figure out what is the minute hand, okay? Remember, you're counting by fives using a clock, okay? You're counting by fives. But it is 7 o'clock, so that is correct. You draw the line to 12, okay? You draw the line to the 12. Good job. Now let's try to figure out the second clock. The time said 7:15. Now remember, the hour hand is the short hand and it's pointed at the 7. Okay? Now we have to try to get 15. You can start by counting by fives to find out what number starts at 15. You start at number 1, okay? So count by fives. 5, 10, 15, 20. But we look for 15, so let's try it one more time. 5, 10, 15. It stops at 3. So you're going to draw your line to 3, okay? All right? Okay, let's look at number 3. It is a word problem, a story problem, okay? So it says 3 bees buzzed around a big flower. 1 bee flew away. How many bees were left? So notice there are lines at the bottom. You basically had to break this problem apart. Put the words in the correct spot. Excuse me, the numbers in the right spot, okay? So, just like we practiced in class, look for the first number word that you see. Let's start at the beginning. 3 bees buzz. 3, that's the number. Around a big flower, 1 bee flew away. 1 is also a number word, okay? Now let's find out which spot does it go in. The first word that we underlined was 3. So that will go in this first spot, okay? And then we have to find the next word that we underlined. Excuse me. That is 1. So, now you have to figure out what is 3 take away 1. That is correct. That is 2. So how many bees were left? And that's your answer right here. 2 bees were left, okay?